Hey, what's up guys? This is your mixologist Yogi Dhandra and I'm here with a nice and easy vodka cocktail to impress your guest. Bloody Red Dracula vodka shots to party hard. To start with, I'll be opening my shaker tin and adding chopped beetroot to it. I'm having some freshly chopped red nice beetroot with me, which I'll be adding into my shaker and I'll be muddling it with my muddler, pressing and squeezing all the fresh juices, all the earthy aromas and flavors out of my beetroot. Now we will be adding vodka to it. We are using Absolut vodka today. In goes my 60 ml vodka into my shaker tin. If you are not having any shaker with you, you can use a big stainless steel glass or your protein shaker. And if you are not even having a muddler with you, you can use a thick wooden stick to muddle and squeeze the beetroot and get the aromas out of it. After muddling it, we'll be adding some ice to it, and we'll be adding ice till top, because if a cocktail is not chilled enough, it is not worthy enough. So let's add ice to it. Post that, we'll be adding some sugar syrup to it. I made my simple syrup by using equal parts of sugar and water. In goes my 45 ml of sugar syrup. After that, we'll be adding 45 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. In goes my lime juice, and I'll close my shaker and I will shake my cocktail for at least 10 seconds. It is very important to shake the cocktail very hard to make it super chilled, until and unless you see the frosted mark outside your shaker tin. So shake, 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 shake. Now it's time to open my shaker. I'm using a Hawthorne shaker today. I can pour my cocktail directly through my Hawthorne shaker, but I'll be using a Hawthorne strainer instead, because I'm pretty much comfortable pouring my cocktail by using a Hawthorne strainer. And there it is, the Bloody Red Dracula vodka shots. See how beautiful they are looking. And have you noticed? My shaker is empty and my shot glasses are full till top. That means perfect measurement. And no beverage, no alcohol is wasted. And now I'm garnishing it. And I made my garnish by cutting beetroot in round shape and piercing it with toothpick. See how beautiful it is looking? Sexy garnish for super sexy Dracula shots. So go my vampires, make these shots party hard and impress your guest. Cheers.